Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the SKIL brand, their 20V Power Snake Drain Cleaner Kit with a 20V 2Ah lithium battery and a 20V charger. You can see right here is the charger, here's the battery. This is a really impressive way to clear out your drains. A simple way to do it I'm going to show you. And it's got a 25-foot carbon steel cable, 1/4 inch thick, for extended reach and maximum durability. It's got a variable speed trigger for precise control, a cleaning port that drains excess water, we're going to show you. Has a sturdy foot base on there for excellent ergonomics. You can see it sitting on the table, and you're just going to be able to use this in so many applications. So here's the battery, and it has status on there. And you can see I've got it all fully charged. There's one of these locks on there which holds it in place. And the charger itself is included. Really simple. It has a blinking green and then it'll go to solid green when it's done. These are errors that may occur. Temperature and damaged battery lets you know. So the way this works is really cool. You put this, slide this in right here, and then you have this tool in front of you, and you have a trigger on here. And it starts rotating. Now you have a direction control right there. So you can see it goes that way or it goes that way. It goes either way, back and forth. Now you see how it's just spinning? Now if I hold this down, this piece right here, then it retracts. But if I change the angle again, then it extends. It's just that simple. So this is going to go down your drain, and then you'll be able to retract it. And when it all comes back in place, you could drain by using that drain right there and get any excess water out of here. Normally you have to use these snakes by hand. They're messy, they're hard to do, and this is going to solve that problem quite easily. And with this powerful battery in here and this simple switch to get this forward and back, this is an excellent way to clear your drains. And the unit comes with a nice diagram showing you how to use it. It's very simple. And you could also get a full 5-year warranty. It is registered right there. And it comes with an instruction manual for the battery, and instruction manual for the charger, and a full instruction manual for the unit itself. And charging is very simple. Just plug it into 120 volts, and then you have the battery that slides right in like that, and then you can see it gives you a status, green, red, and then right now it's actually fully charged, so it's solid green. So here's a typical floor drain that sometimes will get clogged up. So I just made it past the curved part in there where it gets jammed. And now I'm retracting it. And there it is. So there's nothing there this time, but I've had gunk in there, and this will pull that gunk out perfectly. And if you have pipes like this with an access port, you could unscrew those and you could snake in the upward direction or the downward direction, 25 feet. So after testing, what do I think about the SKIL brand? Their 20V Power Snake Drain Cleaner Kit with that 20V 2Ah lithium battery and the really nice sophisticated charger. This is a game changer. I've used different products like this that don't work as well as this. SKIL has really designed this thing to work amazing. And if you ever have any kind of a clogged drain, this is the tool to go to. You want to have this ready to use, and you'll be all set to unclog that drain. So I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.